Welcome back, fellow wanderers. Today's video, we take you to Playa del Carmen's 5th Avenue as we walk from Calle 48 Norte down to Parque Los Fundadores and the terminal to Cozumel.
Along the way, we'll stop at the Thompson Beach House for a late afternoon breakfast at the Sea Grill, located on the beach right off of Calle 8 Norte. We'll also visit Sabi Spa for some great massages, and I'll get my hair braided. That way, really didn't have to worry about it for a few days. And then we'll just enjoy some walking along the street along with some shopping that we did.
We'll also stop at Micaela's on 5th Avenue between Calle 28 and 30 Norte for Berria Tacos, a taco that originated in the state of Jalisco in Mexico in the town of Cocula near Guadalajara. It made its way later to the Yucatan because of its unique flavor and versatility of the meat.
All right, and then we'll visit what I always get when we go to Mexico. I can't leave Mexico without it, is their famous elote. It is a Mexican street corn. It is on a stick, and they slather it with mayonnaise, butter, chili powder, with some cojota cheese, and some cilantro occasionally. So good. It's like it just gets everywhere, but the flavors so good.
Later in the evening, we'll do a food tour of several of 5th Avenue's food carts and corner eateries and some incredible street food in the 5th Avenue area, including choripan, an Italian chorizo sausage with Argentinian background, and also Cochinita Tacos from right here in the Yucatan. Finally, we'll round out our evening with a marquesita. It's a Yucatanian dessert that is basically a crepe with any fruits or sweets that you may want in it. I got mine with peanut butter, Nutella, cream cheese, and an entire banana sliced and put inside. It was to die for. So stay tuned as we go back to Playa del Carmen 5th Avenue and check out how we spent our day in the sun. We'll see you there. Here we have one of Mine Riviera's 6,000 cenotes. This one's in the middle of a restaurant, very small. But there are close to 6,000 in the Yucatan. What's up, guys? As you can see behind us, we've got 5th Avenue. We are walking down from Calle 52, Reef Coco Beach, where we're staying. And this I believe is the longest shopping plaza in the world. It runs approximately 5 miles. Nothing but shops, anything from low end all the way to like Michael Kors and Nike and some of your higher end. So,
We're good.
No, gracias. But you get interrupted a lot. Definitely be prepared for those that want to try to sell you things, trips.
Guy needs to slow down.
Just about anything. So we're just taking a morning walk. It's our first full day. Amanda is getting her hair done in braids, and I don't know if she's brave enough to do color, but first place we found. So we stopped here at the grill. I believe it's at the Thompson Hotel. Just off of 5th down towards the beach. We're gonna have breakfast, or well, we already had breakfast. We're gonna have an appetizer and something to drink because it's already starting to get warm and humid, guys. So we will show you when our food comes out.
Hey guys, so just got the hair did. Yes. I'm very excited for that. It's like I haven't got my hair done for a really long time here in Mexico, and I just needed it off my shoulders, and she did a perfect job on it. Very satisfied. $40 is what I paid for a hair braided, but I don't have to. It's $40 of I don't have to do it for the next 2 weeks. Yes.
Yep. I know what it's like to not have hair on your shoulders.
So
a number of years since I had hair. I don't think I have ever had hair on my shoulders. So, anyways, yeah, we're getting ready to have a little snack.
Perfect. We just put our order in. We had breakfast at the resort earlier. Just a fruit plate and a green juice. I'm trying to get into juicing a little more. So I'm just kind of keeping up with it. So we just ordered
hot cakes with sweet corn grain and charred piloncillo, which he kind of explained, I think, is like a charred seasonal fruit of some type.
Okay. Wow.
Looks amazing, guys. Wow.
Oh.
Look at that.
So it's next to this gallery. We literally just had one of the best massages I've really ever can actually say I've had. It was, I can't even talk right now, guys. That's how relaxed I am. The best massage since 2005, and honestly guys, it was good. It's right across the street from Hotel Lonita. So Hotel Lonita massage in between the money exchange. So yes, it was really good, guys. Here on 5th Avenue, one of the best places that you can eat is here. I read some restaurant reviews, TripAdvisors. We have not ate here yet. We just ate, but I've heard good things about this place. All right, come on in. And this is Micheladas. Yes, authentic Mexican food. Come on, let's show you the menu, guys. All right, so right here we have enchiladas, the famous molcajetes. Got breakfast and dinner, and they actually have a display of the breakfast food that they have.
All right, guys, we are back here at Michela's that Amanda showed the menu earlier, and we ordered the Berria Tacos, which is it's like a lamb stew taco.
Okay, guys, this is my first Berria taco ever. Oh my gosh, there's salsa too.
All right, guys, Berria Tacos.
They're close to me.
Oh my gosh. So this is just a little roadside corner shop that sells choripan, which is a sausage. He's got regular and spicy. We're splitting the spicy because we're wanting to obviously hit up a number of other places. So
Oh yeah. Yes. What donde es?
Choripán es argentino, pero chorizo es italiano.
Okay, Italian chorizo. Okay.
So excited, guys. This looks incredible. This is amazing, guys. So, Amanda has thrown in the towel. She can't do it. It's too spicy for her. Imagine that. Travel with Chris, man. Shout out, bro.
Yeah.
This was amazing.
It was really good. It was just really spicy, and we decided to share one.
If you see this, which you probably won't, but
You
it's
never
awesome.
know. You never know.
So thank you for the recommendation. He is located at the corner of Calle 8 Norte and 10th Avenue Norte. Choripan. Check it out, guys. We just left the Choripan place, and now we're heading to get Amanda some Cochinita Pibil.
Yes. Another
Another-
recommendation.
Another recommendation from Travel with Chris. It's just down around the corner here. So we're gonna check that out, split something else. So now we're here at the Cochinita, it's called La Cochi Loca. We're gonna do Cochinita Pibil tacos. We're just gonna get one a piece because they'll be small, but
In the back.
we're not all that hungry.
I had a little bit of the salsa, and it's pretty hot, so I'm just gonna do just a drizzle. And then, of course, lime. All right, here goes.
Cochinita Pibil tacos.
Oh my God,
Good?
I can't even describe it. I can't. It's so good. It's so good.
Hot to Amanda. It's not hot, guys. I don't even know how she calls herself Mexican.
I'm a very non-speaking Spanish Mexican.
Ooh. Oh my God, guys. It's such tender pork.
Yes.
It's pretty much just pork and like red onions. But, oh my God, the seasoning, what the pork is cooked in, whatever acidic juice they use. Amazing, guys. Corn tortilla shell, traditional Mexican. I prefer flour shells, but wow, amazing. Be down in Playa, check it out. All right, guys, we're stop number, what is this, 4? 5? This is a Elote bicycle, basically tricycle cart. Elote is corn with mayonnaise. It's got some hot pepper on it. There's a bunch of stuff you can get on it. Amanda loves them.
I love them.
I'm not a fan, but to each their own. The corn is way different than the Midwestern sweet corn that we're used to, but it's still pretty good. It also has is it like cojita cheese? I believe it's almost like Parmesan, but a little bit different. Small white grated cheese. And I mean, they look, to me, they look better than they taste. But again, you get down to Mexico and try one. See for yourself whether or not you're a fan. All right, guys, we are at the Marquiseta stand.
Microphone.
Hey,
You have your microphone on?
Yeah. So basically, it's like a kind of a grilled pastry, and then you can get various different things on it. As popular as cream cheese. I'm getting mine with peanut butter, chocolate, and banana. So check out how they do this. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Él le dice, cuidado con los plátanos.
Sorry.
Así, manténla porque si la paras no la vuelta.
Gracias.
How much?
Sorry. Queso de bola con jamón, por favor. ¿Qué trapa?
Oh! Thank you!
It's 90 pesos or $5?
$5. There you go. All right, guys. Gracias. So this is the finished product. Pretty neat. Oh my God, it's so messy. Wow. So freaking good. All right, friends, that is going to bring an end to the video for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that bell notification to get notified so we can continue to put out more and better content. We had a phenomenal time on Playa del Carmen's 5th Avenue, enjoying all of the food and shops that it has to offer. Get yourself to the Mayan Riviera and check out Playa del Carmen's 5th Avenue.